online payments po is one of the things that is very beneficial for business owner po. It also eliminates cost and it is more efficient and effective. It will generate a QR code that you can see here. And you see here, there is a link. Automation and technology, here in Bitpos, we provide all-in-one solution. So sa video na ito, I am going to show you another setup for our online payments directly using our MOT devices po. So this is really good for any type of business from retail. I also have here for pay-as-you-order, table order taking, and services pwedeng-pwede po at pasok na pasok sa kahit anong negosyo. So I have here multiple devices. So I have my all-in-one VFD display with printer. I have my tablet setup and I also have my Android phone setup. So let's dive in and start the process paano natin gagawin yung mga online payments. So online payments po is one of the things that is very beneficial for business owner po, especially kung ayaw nating kumuha ng terminal from Maya or any banks po. It also eliminates cost and it is more efficient and effective. So first thing, you have your MOT application po. Tap lang po natin yung item. And once you tap item, just select a random product po na gusto nating i-punch. So sa akin, I'll just tap select or cheesecake na lang po. Then tap ko lang yung OK/back. Now, you will see the total amount here. If the customer wanted to pay, tap lang natin yung 3-line icon, tender sales po. Under payment type, type na lang po natin yung type or tap lang natin yung type. Drop down lang po tayo. Select po natin yung word na GCash. So once you select GCash po, tap OK. Automatically po, it will generate a QR code that you can see here. Ayan. So etong QR code na ito, this will be the one na kailangan or directly scan ng ating customer. So I have my customer's phone here. And you can actually see here that there is an instruction. Scan the QR code with your phone camera to open the online payment link. And once done, tap OK. So ang gagawin lang natin, open ko lang po yung camera ng aking cellphone. Tap lang natin po yung ating camera. And then you see here, there is a link. Tap the link po, automatically po, you get redirected to your browser, which is our payment gateway called PayMongo. And from here on, you're gonna select the mode of payment that you want to implement po. So I have payment amount. You can use QRPH if you want to pay via QRPH po. Pwede pong e-wallet, GCash, GrabPay, Maya, online banking, or bill is for buy now, pay later. So, pwedeng-pwede naman po siya. So, select ko lang si GCash, tap continue, input the details if you want. Kung ayaw naman po natin, hindi naman po siya necessary. But in my end, I want a copy of these details in my receipt sa aking email. So, ilalagay ko lang, tap, I have read and agreed, and then complete payment po. Automatically po, makikita nyo po na payment successful na po tayo. I just authorized that payment. Here, you can already see po, pag tapos na, tap lang natin yung OK. Waiting for payment verification, verified, GCash payment received. Dire-diretso na po iyan. And then, antayin na lang po natin. You will see here in the cellphone side kung saan meron na pong reference number directly naka-input. Tap OK. Waiting for tendering payment. Antayin na po nating mag-print yung ating receipt. So, ayan, nagpiprint na yung aking Bluetooth receipt printer. Now, ano yung advantage nito? Iwas budol, iwas scam, iwas maraming discrepancy. This is my sample receipt. You can actually see the reference number, the GCash payment po that is indicated here, and then the amount. Okay? So, very direct to the point. Now, if you want to know more of this setup, pwedeng-pwede po siya dito sa ating VFD all-in-one display, tablet, pwede din po siya dito sa ating phone. Please message our Facebook page to book an online demo.